You got a cap busting your ass.
That's not me, that's him. He told me to.
Hit it again. One more time.
What's going on?
One more time. I like that. Where's it? Hit it again.
It's a regular train horn, isn't it?
Yeah.